The teacher maintained the classroom very well, very instructional. The students felt happy. All the students, everybody was alert, everybody participated. There was no yelling, no crying, nothing that. So it was very, very well. So when we first come in, of course, appearance is very important. Appearance, when you first walk up, was very professional. We were greeted very well, encouraged to come in, look at the environment, very clean, very well constructed. I like that it's very homely. The kids don't have to feel like it's a very strict institution. The teachers, everybody and staff itself has been very accommodating, especially for people who haven't been here before. The teacher maintained the classroom very well, very instructional. The students felt happy. They were not chaotic. They were very well mannered. And when they got a little loud, he already instructed ways to have them actually bring down the noise, self-controlled, which was amazing. Engaged all the students. Everybody was alert, everybody participated. There was no yelling, no crying, nothing that. So it was very, very well. As a parent and as a educator, you want to have that initial professionalism when you walk in. You want to know that your children and your staff and your colleagues are very professional, and that's what I value the most.